Well, good day everybody, and thanks for joining me. Well, today's video is the day I have a crack at taking this little baby out here. Yes, the Mavic 2 Pro. As some of you are already aware that I've purchased this thing a few weeks ago, but this is actually the first time that I've gone out and actually had a bit of a play with it, with the apertures and all that sort of stuff. There's a lot of different camera settings to the Mavic Pro that I've got to get used to, as was with the Spark too. I mean, there was stuff in the Mavic Pro which I didn't have in the Spark, so I had to get used to that camera. And I'll be doing the same with this one here. A lot of learning curve to be had there. Also, this week is the first time I've used DaVinci Resolve. The only reason I used it is because I couldn't import LUT packs into Premiere Elements 2018. You can in Premiere Pro, but not 2018. So I wanted to give these LUTs a bit of a crack. Now, thank you very much to Kenny from Kardoso Media, who has kindly shared his LUT pack with a lot of people. So I downloaded these LUT packs and whacked them into DaVinci, and I'll give them a bit of a crack here. Big learning curve when it comes to DaVinci, a lot different to Premiere Elements. I've spent a lot of time in DaVinci at the moment, trying to work out exactly what does what and where. Looked at a lot of tutorials. So all of the footage here that I have put some LUT packs on them just to try out different things, and there is no continuity between the LUT packs for this whole entire clip. Every clip's got something different in it. Now, the LUT packs that I did put into it, I did stuff around with a little bit, colors and all that sort of thing, to try and get the best footage I can out of this Mavic Pro. Also, too, the render settings and all that sort of thing I've really got to look at and play around with within DaVinci too. So that's another learning curve. Why not? Also, too, I have mucked around with the time lapse in the Mavic 2 Pro. So that was something different for me. So I've got a couple of little short clips in there of time lapse, which I found pretty interesting. I did stuff up a little bit with them, but anyway, I'll get there and we'll work forward from there. Anyway, thanks very much for popping through, everyone. Hit the like and the subscribe if you want to. That would be absolutely awesome. And I shall see everybody on the next one.